Yeah, we're snowing. Those who snow, okay. Why are you still going?
Dude, the Nissan truck.
Okay,
Garmin, snitch on myself.
Yeah, like actually.
That was so stupid.
Holy fuck. Bro fell over.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Fuck
unfortunate.
me, dude. This is a
no
grand
video.
Christmas.
Dude, why?
Dude, we're
Why?
having a white Christmas here, brother.
Dude, this guy is 100% in the right.
Calmest driver.
Dude, this would be so me. That's insane. That's
Dude,
insane.
this guy's a fucking yokai, bro.
Look at Akuma from Street Fighter is driving, bro. Just rage-filled. Whoa. Okay, why is critical here? What the hell?
Yeah, that's chill, though. That's chill.
What the hell?
Why are we in Baltimore, bruh?
I'm scared, bro. I'm just scared looking at this shit. This is some Final Destination,
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'd move to the right, too, man.
Oh.
Dude, it just died. It just turned into paper.
The buttons. Okay, Garmin, 10 on this guy.
I agree with this guy, though. Like, I agree with
him.
Classifying children
Okay.
born to black women as white.
What? Wait, what the hell is this guy listening to?
I don't know, man, but
that was sick, though. That guy just trailblazing by, man. Driving
Dude, what's wrong with that guy's truck? What are you doing, bro? Just go.
Stupid as hell, clearly,
what
bro.
What is this strange powder falling from the sky?
I recognize this powder. Dude, that
no,
traffic
what?
cone, that traffic cone is doing all the heavy lifting right now, bro.
How did that happen?
He's making everyone aware of what the fuck kind of apocalypse-ass situation was going on. Oh shit, me when the scary green fucking square is chasing me. Ah!
I can't even tell what happened. I know two cars
Yeah,
collided.
I don't think anyone was at fault there, man.
Yeah,
it was no one's fault.
Dude, the way that this probably feels really good for the house.
I've always wondered how the fuck you reverse with those things attached. Like, what's stopping them from just going to the left or right?
The way the way you turn.
Yeah, they're like hooked up directly. Wait, what?
Why are you touching that guy's car, man? What a fucking weirdo.
Yeah, why are you bugging this innocent civilian?
Pivot over!
Yes! Is this a cop? Are we watching a cop right now? What
Dude,
the hell?
this is cop POV. Also, are they gonna
what was that shit that the cops have?
He has his hazards on, dude. Are you gonna pit maneuver someone with their hazards on? That's crazy.
Wait, he actually is pit maneuvering him.
This had to be like... That just wasn't...
We didn't get to see it.
That wasn't good. They weren't even like running away. That's insane. They were just stupid.
Nah, literally, bro.
That's crazy.
Now he's just doing donuts around the car.
He's emoting on him, bro.
Literally, this is like doing an emote.
Dude, that's crazy.
Get fucked.
That's crazy. Runs out of gas. Dude, how...
Day and night.
How the fuck?
Oh,
dude, was this reverse? What the fuck?
He's turning and shit.
No,
he's guiding it. Is this like
insane. No, there's cars pulling up, dude. That wasn't reversed or anything like that. That was like a real video.
Should have been more careful, man. Just saying.
That's just not good.
I think it's fine.
That's not safe.
No, that's safe.
Dude, it's totally fine.
See, you can literally hear the jealousy in their voices, bro. Actual beta males.
It's built for
You can tell these guys want to make a podcast so bad.
Oh
like,
my god, I could not have said it better myself, dude. We
they
should start a podcast.
desperately want a podcast, dude.
I don't know why people keep asking us to make a podcast as if we're not the most boring humans on like
That's not
planet
true.
Earth.
I could talk about dinosaurs and shit. I could be like, dude, they went extinct because of the magic crystals in the moon.
Oh no, mean cheeks. Oh, my didn't hole. No.
Dude, people love turning when they can't see.
Why would you go
Dude, I
out
love
in this?
driving when I can't see.
That's the worst shit ever to crash into. They're gonna arrest you now, man. You're dead. Like, actually.
Yeah, you're just dead. They're gonna get you, bro.
That's like collapsing in front of an ambulance and you're just immediately 100k in debt.
Oh. Okay.
They're fine. They're fine too.
This doesn't even sound like a real song.
Holy shit, he's fucking blasting off.
He's like, shit.
Wait, Chase?
Oh, pussy gave up.
That says May or Way. Ah, shit. Never mind. Where the fuck are that building says tit?
Dude, that's
Am I right, guys?
I don't know.
I think I'm
dude.
lagging a little
I don't
bit.
know. I didn't see anything, bro.
Dude, why is it this weird? Oh,
This
their
guy's
window's
going really
cracked.
fast. What the hell?
I see why their window's cracked. This makes a lot of sense.
It's all about family.
Safest stop ever, though, for the speed he was going. Oh.
Why's there a
Okay.
bunch of toothpicks, like wishbones and shit on this road, man?
Yeah, it's like a video game where, like, you could clearly tell they didn't know what goes inside of the car, so they just kind of add a bunch of random shit, like bones. When it
Subway.
gets damaged, you know? Aw, Bubby. Why are we blue?
I don't know.
That was weird. Okay, well, we're back to normal now. It's okay. Don't worry, James. I know you're freaking out about that.
Where do you
one.
think this
Don't
is,
worry.
man?
Texas.
Kansas.
Dude, what the fuck?
Holy.
What is this vaporwave ass quality?
This
Holy
doesn't
shit.
look real.
What is this found footage
This
ass
is like
bullshit,
yeah.
man? I don't want to go down here.
Beware the Slender
Ooh.
Man.
Beware the ditty-blooded man. He don't bite. He do bite.
No, literally, it's like a rabbit. like a rabbit up his ass to stop him.
Oh my god, it's a Nissan Altima.
Yeah, I'm just gonna trust in your word and say that that's true.
It is true. Alright, this is Texas.
Oh yeah, America. Oh, we're banging each other. Why are we
Okay,
banging each
it's
other?
really funny they all had like American flag. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Did I make up this? Yes. Did I make this book and tagline up, or is this a real, legit,
Okay, Darman.
erotic book?
Oh, Donald, I want
Government.
some. Should I eat banana for lunch or peanut butter, bro?
Mary is down on her luck.
Darman, activate homing missiles.
The wicked
Okay, Garmin.
Oh, the sheriff.
There's a you see this shit. Reach for his pistol,
Oh my
Garmin.
god. His blind spot monitor. Now he's gonna pull you over. He's like, what the
Whip
fuck
out
are
your
you doing?
ID as fast as possible.
What the
Make
fuck?
sure you dig in your pocket a little too.
Yeah.
Dude, what's
Happy
that little
Christmas.
gnome
Oh,
right
are they
there?
gonna drive straight into the fucking house? Oh my god, they are.
Oh no, they just passed. They just
Oh,
passed,
the window's
bro.
fine. It's fine. Thank God.
No!
That's such a nice car too.
No, dude, he
It's like a
just
70s
up that
car.
Did you see the sign flipping? It almost impaled the car as he rode over it. Jesus. Okay,
Yeah,
why
that
we
was-
got the
that was pretty
TikTok
funny.
like
Dude, what the fuck is that?
subtitles? What the fuck? The
Dude,
Amish.
Get your fucking rickshaw off the
Is that
road.
a
Cyclist. No, it's a cyclist. This is the cyclist that like drives people around the cities in San Diego.
We have those as well. I've seen them.
On God! On God! Yes! That's how you should be. Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Is he just counting when this guy's gonna crash?
No, he's counting for the light.
What the fuck are you doing, missus?
calmest reaction.
Crazy. The UK never gets this much snow.
Yeah,
we just get
that's
like dog
why they're all
shit.
crashing.
Dude. Holy shit, I thought he was gonna keep going. Okay, I'm gonna see the Slenderman here. What the
Wyoming.
fuck is this?
This
Okay,
is
are
like
we
a
safe?
Dead by Daylight map.
Dude, that's sick. He just did a U-turn. It's
Yeah,
epic.
Dead by Daylight goes
That's
so
epic.
hard, bro. And then it's just two guys circling around a table chasing each other.
Just repeatedly jumping over a pallet.
It's the UK again.
Wouldn't risk moving.
It's always the UK, man.
Wee!
Yeah, thank God you honked at that parked car, man. Good job.
Oh, now all the cars are rolling.
Dumbass.
No.
I'm gonna honk at the parked car. That did a lot, dude. Dipshit. God, fucking Harry Potter.
All right,
land.
if you
Fuck
don't want to
off.
get snowed in and die, click the answers now. Bye.
Make sure that you always sit for the car when they're going.
Yep.